Daggers all front Donegal, Sligo and Leitrim too. Well, get to the step and the take a sip of rare old
Happy Monday, everyone. Any questions before we start? I do have a special announcement. I decided we should cancel assignment 2. Just so many people are having trouble. So many people are struggling that I just thought, okay, let's cancel it. Is that okay with everybody? Yeah, this is the first time I've ever had a lecture on April Fool's Day. So I just thought, have to do something. So no questions. If you do have questions, as I think everybody does know, there is a list of approximately 50 questions and answers on assignment 2 compiled on the DataViz YouTube channel. So I encourage you to take advantage. That's a lot of questions and answers. I thought that it was impossible for anybody to think of new questions about assignment 2. And yeah, the questions I get now are repetitive. So I don't get new questions anymore. They're all variations of questions that have already been asked. One repetitive question I do get is people send me an image that looks like a dome. And they say, is this what Sally is? And it looks like a round hemisphere. I can say that Sally is round, but she's not a hemisphere. So something has gone right, but like maybe one component out of the 3 has gone well. But two-ish components have gone wrong, especially the Z component. And I do have a special tutorial video in that list about how to debug your data and visualizations. I encourage everybody to look through there. I offer a few different debugging strategies, how to track down your problems and stuff. And I did notice that there is a percentage of the class that is taking advantage of those. I can see when the class is looking at them and when they're not looking at them. And so there are something like 20-ish students in the class that are taking advantage of those videos. And I would say that that's a good thing, You may as well, I've never seen a resource like that in my whole life where you can sort of see everybody else's questions and get the answers to everybody else's questions in a class. I've never quite seen anything quite like that. I was in a class once with a mailing list where you could send a mail to the mailing list and then everybody got the question and then the teacher would reply. But this is much better than a mailing list because it includes like pictures. A mailing list won't be adequate in this class because I need to draw things. I can't just type text and magically give some answers. I need to actually get out a whiteboard. And that was partially the inspiration for the video format in the first place. Because there's no way I could type out a text saying this is like the way it works.
There's an neat little set at the foot of the hill, smoke curls up to the sky. By a whiff of the smell you can plainly tell there's Pudgy and Prue nearby. For it fills the air with a perfume rare betwixt both me and you. We'll take a sup or drink a cup or a bucket of Mountain Dew. Hi diddle lum, hi diddle lum, hi diddle day. Hi diddle lum, hi diddle day. Now learned men who use the pen, writ the praises high. Now the red pot cheap from Ireland Green is still from wheat and rye. Be away with your pills and the cure ills, be a pagan Christmas Jew. Take off your coat and grease your throat with a buck full of Mountain Dew. Hi diddle-lum, hi diddle-lum, hi diddle-i-diddle-i-day. 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 Give me enough for the rare old stuff that's brewed near Galway Bay. Cause Skaggers all from Donegal, Sligo, Leitrim too. Well, get them a slip and then we'll take a sip.